Here we have a tour of the entry to the most amazing apartment on the Gold Coast. Level 25 of the Oracle Towers. Pretty much a 5 or 6 star development. And here is the most stunning apartment you will find anywhere in these buildings. Over $65,000 has been spent on this particular apartment. And let's just catch the views before the sun goes down. There's the ocean. And then over there, you've just hit the sunset. You can just see the little... You can have beautiful sunset from here all summer. The sun just moves along there. And you can just sit here, sip a glass of champagne. And there is the view of the apartment from the balcony. You've got some lovely outdoor settings there. You've got a wall-hung TV, 75-inch TV. It's a Sony, $4,500 TV. It's not a cheap TV. A sound bar, a wall-hung cabinet. Everything's brand new here. Lots of storage in there that you can use. Over here we have a really stunning all-leather bar. Another piece that was over $4,000. There you can see, just opens up. Oops. Now all the lights here are controlled by voice. Hey Google, turn all the lights blue. Oh, you didn't hear me. Hey Google, turn all lights blue. So you can see the lights change. And we also have the backlit lights behind the TV. Over here we're going to have a actual sofa bed, which is actually this sofa bed here. Hey Google, turn all lights on bright white. Alright, so let's just turn the lights on again. All the curtains are also electronically controlled. I'll show you that in a minute. Now that particular sofa bed is actually going to be transferred over here. And there's a 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter sliding glass wall which will block off this room into a second bedroom. It is a full-size 3.9 meter by 3 meters bedroom. And then over here is a little study area. And we have a two-way bathroom. Again with all voice control, Google controlled lights. You get a beautiful view from the spa here at night. You can have a champagne and just enjoy the views. There's a walk-in robe. Plenty of storage in this apartment, even if you have a lot of clothes. There's also a storage cage downstairs. And here's another OLED LG TV. That was a $4,000 TV on the wall. Really lovely picture of that. And we have a beautiful velvet bed and a lounge. And again, the balcony opens fully and you can enjoy the sunset views from here. And you can also see the beautiful ocean views. There's down towards Burleigh. And there you have a view through the street. It's never going to get built out. And at night, this is just a myriad of lights that you're going to just love seeing. Let's have a look at the other way now. So we go back into the lounge. There's hybrid flooring, lifetime guarantee. Beautiful timber-like looks. Like I said, over $65,500 have been spent on this apartment, and you get a real feeling of life and airness and an openness to it. You have a laundry here. Again, it's spacious, big enough. You've got a nice proper island bench with breakfast bar. TV, brand new. Everything is brand new here. Everything's been brand new. There's a pantry. Over here we have a pantry. You can see there's a few things still in there. And there's also storage behind this door here. We have a storage area and also a linen press, linen cupboard in there. It's quite a big linen cupboard. And there is potential of putting a wardrobe behind the glass panels. That there's going to be a 1 meter glass panel on this wall, and you could put a wardrobe behind that. So just next to that painting. So this is probably, if not the best design and best equipped apartment on the Gold Coast. So I hope the next time we see you, you're going to be walking through the door to have a look. See you later.